Alright, today we're going to unbox the VEX Robotics Hexaclator construction ball machine. It's advertised for ages 8 and up. Here's what the back looks like. And we're going to go ahead and open up and see what pieces comes inside. So the box tells us that it comes with 8 balls and 260 pieces. And it also comes with 2 alternate builds. So instructions for the main Hexaclator build is inside the box, and here is the book for that. Then it also comes with 2 alternate builds, which you can find online at HEXUG.com. Inside of our book that was in our box also is the stickers, the VEX stickers for our robot. It also comes with a bag of beams, bag of connector pins, 2 large square base, a bag of standoffs, a bag of VEX gears, and also the knob, our hex shaped beams, and also 8 balls as advertised on the box. More connector pins, washers, shaft collars, things like that. 3 different size axles, so we have a really long one, then a shorter one, and a medium size. Another bag of beams, and 2 of the 2x20 beams in the hex color, and these look like 2x16 beams, probably 2 of those. And that's everything in our box. So as I said, the box advertises that everything, all of these pieces here, all of these bags here, equals up to 260 pieces. Again, it comes with instruction booklet for just the hex bot. Also an outline of all the pieces that you should have in your bag. In the back of the book is a little note section, so if you've done VEX before or competition, you know that would be kind of like your engineering notebook. And here's kind of what the instructions look like. You can also find these instructions on HEXUG.com as well, along with the alternate build. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually build the Hexaclator. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.